Japan is tightening export controls on semiconductor manufacturing equipment. Other countries are taking similar measures due to growing concerns over security. Exports of such equipment to China will face stricter procedures than to 42 listed countries and territories, including the U.S., South Korea, and Taiwan. The restrictions will go into effect in July and will cover 23 items. Exports to China or other destinations not on the white list will need the approval of the trade minister each time.
This measure is aimed at preventing technology from being diverted to military use. We want to fulfill our responsibilities to the international community as a country with advanced technology, and we want to contribute to international peace and security.
The U.S. has already strengthened export restrictions to China. It has been calling for similar steps by other countries, especially Japan, which holds a large share of the chip manufacturing equipment market.